Welcome back, guys. So right now, I want to create a social media sentiment for this. I want to create a social media sentiment report. So what I'm going to do right now is to still use Google Gemini to create a sentiment report from all we've gathered from the fundamental analysis and the use cases and utility. So here I have the fundamental analysis we did, the report of fundamental analysis, and here I have the use cases right here. So from here, I'm going to just prompt. I'm going to add to the prompt right here. I would say I want to create a fundamental analysis report on SLP for a social media sentiment using the following information gotten from coin market cap with my comments. So I'm going to input the analysis we did earlier on. I'm going to input this copy. I'm going to input it right here. Then I'm going to prompt that. Let's see what it prompts. So right now I'm going to wait for the report and I'm going to try to use it on our social media. I'm going to use LinkedIn in particular. Let me try and use LinkedIn. Then I'll use my LinkedIn to create a social media experiment. You can use any of the platforms. You can use Instagram, you can use Twitter, you can use Facebook, and you can use any of those platforms. There's no point in you doing crypto and not talking about it. So one of the things you have to do is to talk about it, and this is one of the ways to talk about it, and I'm showing you a perfect way to create a post for it. So right now I have fundamental analysis on Ripple for social media sentiment, and right now I have market capitalization is over 26 billion. So here we have this, we have all the sentiment right here. So crafting your social media messages, you say create the report for me. So I'm going to have the full report right here. So it says Ripple SRP bullish or bearish. Let's talk fundamentals, and here we have the report right here. So let's do that right now. We have a report right here, and here's my LinkedIn. What I'm going to do is I'm going to write an article. I'm going to write an article for it. That will be my report right here. So I'm going to use my name. I'm going to continue right here to create my report. I'm going to come here to screenshot this for my article cover. I'm going to just snip it and have it for my article cover. I'm going to do something like this, and I have something like this. Yeah, so I'm going to use this as my cover. I'm going to come here, I'm going to say upload from my computer, and I have this right here. I'm going to open this. This is what I just snip from coin market cap. Then I'm going to have the title right here. From here I can say Ripple SLP bullish or bearish. Let's talk fundamentals. That will be the title. I'm going to come back here. I'm going to paste this. I'm trying to create a social media sentiment. That's something about social media sentiment, and I'm going to come here and copy all this. I can edit it however I want. I can just come here and copy this, and I'll paste this right now. So let's see that. Let's see what it is. It says ARP's market cap is over 26 billion, making it a major player in the crypto world. This strong foundation suggests a project with staying power. However, it also means there is potentially less room for explosive growth compared to newer coins. There are over 58 billion SLP in circulation, keeping the coin readily available for transactions. This is good for usability, but it can also dilute the value per token. While the total supply nears its 100 billion marks, there is limited room for scarcity-driven price increases in short time, as you can see. But don't forget, a limited mass supply could be bullish for long-term value. Trading volume is currently low, which might make buying or selling at your desired price tricky, and liquidity is also a concern. Large buy or sell orders could cause price swings. However, some believe the ongoing SEC lawsuit against Ripple could be a cloud over the project, and its resolution could unlock future growth. What do you think? Is SLP a long-time or a short-time trade? Share your thoughts, and we're going to have that. Share your thoughts below. Then we're going to have the hashtags, and here we have the other. We're going to remove this. So right now we'll be able to create a sentiment report, and now I'm just going to copy all these. This is my sentiment report, and I'm going to copy, then I'm going to nest this right now. I'm going to nest this, then I have my sentiment report right there. So let's paste what I have right now, and here I have this This is my sentiment report. So you can create for Twitter, create for Facebook, and create for every other platform. I'm going to use that same Gemini to do that. I'm going to come like this, and I'm going to have something like this. So right now we have this, and I'm going to paste that right now. So we have all these, and I'm going to publish my sentiment report. Click on publish, and here we're going to have it published right away. And now you can create for Twitter as well. All I have to do is to come to my Twitter to try to use that same. I'm going to come like this. I'm going to come to Gemini. Gemini should create a short tweet from this. So I'm going to have my sentiment report on Twitter as well. You can have it on other social media platform as well. So now create a compressive simple tweet. So I'm going to just have that, and let's see which one we're going to choose. SRP analysis: big player with high market cap but low volume and liquidity. Circulating supply is high but mass supply capped. Lawsuit could linger but resolution could unlock growth. Bullish or bearish? So I'm going to copy this. This is a sentiment as well. I'm going to copy this with an hashtag do your research. So I'm going to just use this same picture, the one I screenshot, not quite long. I'm going to use this, and I'm going to open that. Then I'm going to create my tweet. I'm going to create my sentiment right now, and I would say big player, this and this. So come here, bullish or bearish. So we are going to have something like this. You remember what bull is, you remember what bear is. Bull is uptrend and bear is going down. So right now is bearish, but later in the future it might be bullish. So that's just the meaning of that. And I'll have my sentiments sent right now. So you too, you'll be able to create a social media sentiment. That's just how simple it is to create a sentiment. And so one of those things I want you to know is that don't read into sentiment. Do your research yourself and make your decisions yourself. That's just the simple advice I'll give you. I hope to see you in the next lesson. As we've created our sentiments on LinkedIn and we've created on Twitter, we have the sentiment right now circulating, and people might get to like it or not. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.